Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to lock objects. So for example, you can create objects like we draw rectangle and circle. Now if you want to lock these objects, we can use the layer tools, tap layer, press enter, and we create new layer by clicking at this icon. Okay, set the name slide into lock, and I will change for the color into red color. And to lock, you can click at these icons to lock the layer. You can close. And to apply to object, you can select the object, go to properties, and you can change for the layer into lock. So the layer will be automatically locked. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to lock object.